Hello and welcome to another lesson to help you learn English. Today, we are going to talk about a very important subject. We are going to learn how to communicate well at a university or college. This video will help you speak with confidence in your classes and with your teachers. Please stay until the end because I have a special gift for you to help you practice every day. Let us begin. Our first topic is working. Hello and welcome to another lesson to help you learn English. Today, we are going to talk about a very important subject. We are going to learn how to communicate well at a university or college. This video will help you speak with confidence in your classes and with your teachers. Please stay until the end because I have a special gift for you to help you practice every day. Let us begin. Our first topic is working in groups. Imagine you are in a classroom. The teacher says you must work with 3 other students on a project. You meet a student named Leo. Leo is from a different country. You want to be friendly. You say, "Hello. I am very happy to work with you on this project." Leo smiles and says he is happy too. Now you must plan your work. You should not be afraid to speak. You can say, "What is our first step?" Or you can say, "I can write the notes if you want to speak during the presentation." Working in a group is about helping each other. If you do not understand what Leo says, you can ask, "Could you please say that again?" This is very polite. It shows you are listening. Maybe another student named Anna has a great idea. You can say, "I like that idea very much." It is simple, but it builds a good relationship. Always remember to say thank you when someone helps you. Group work is not just about the grade. It is about making friends and learning to talk to different people. Next, we will talk about a very important skill, talking to your professors. Many students feel nervous when they go to a professor's office. Imagine you are a student named Maria. Maria has a question about her history homework. She goes to the office during the office hours. She knocks on the door. When the professor says, "Come in," Maria says, "Good afternoon, Professor Smith. I am Maria from your Monday class. Do you have a moment to help me?" This is a perfect way to start. You state your name and which class you attend. Professor Smith says yes. Maria then explains her problem. She says, "I do not understand the second question on the homework. Can you please explain it in a simple way?" Maria uses "do not" because she wants to be clear and formal. The professor explains the answer. Maria takes notes. When she is finished, she says, "Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day." This small conversation helps the professor remember Maria. It shows she is a serious student. You should always try to visit your professors if you have a problem. They are there to help you succeed. Now, let us move to the most nervous part of college, giving presentations. Giving a presentation means speaking in front of the whole class. Imagine a student named David. David must give a talk about the environment. He stands at the front of the room. He takes a deep breath. He starts by saying, "Hello, everyone. My name is David. Today, I am going to talk about how we can save water." He speaks slowly. He looks at his classmates. He does not look only at his notes. Looking at people helps them listen to you. David uses simple words. Instead of using hard words, he says, "Water is very important for our lives. We must use less water every day." When he finishes, he asks the class, "Do you have any questions?" A student asks a question. David listens carefully. He says, "That is a good question. I think we can save water by turning off the sink." He finishes his presentation by saying, "Thank you for listening to me." Giving a presentation is like telling a story. If you speak slowly and use simple English, everyone will understand you. Do not worry about making small mistakes. The most important thing is that people understand your main idea. Our final big topic is networking. Networking sounds like a hard word, but it just means meeting people who can help your career. Imagine there is a meeting for students who want to be teachers. You go to this meeting. You see a woman named Sarah who is a professional teacher. You want to talk to her. You walk up to her and say, "Hello, my name is, and I am a student here. I want to be a teacher in the future. It is very nice to meet you." Sarah is happy to meet a student. You can ask her a simple question. You can say, "What do you like most about being a teacher?" Sarah tells you about her job. You listen and nod your head. You are showing that you are interested. Before you leave, you can say, "It was a pleasure to talk to you. Can I have your email address to ask more questions later?" This is how you build a network. You meet people, you ask questions, and you stay in contact. This will help you find a job after you finish your studies. You can network with other students too. Every person you meet is a new opportunity. I hope these scenarios help you feel more comfortable at your university. Remember, you do not have to be perfect. You only have to be brave and try to speak. Every time you speak, your English gets better. I am very proud of you for watching this whole video. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these situations is the most difficult for you? Is it talking to professors or giving presentations? Please write your answer in the comments below. I read every comment and I want to help you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We make new videos every week to help you master English. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. Thank you for being a wonderful student. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a great day and keep practicing your English. Goodbye for now.